Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Yash Network app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. So if you are a iOS user, then you have to open your Apple Store. So if you are an Android user, then you can use your Play Store also and Google search bar. So here I am using my Google search bar. Okay. So at here I have to go to the Google search bar. So at here I will directly search for the Yash Network app. So when you will just write here, you can see here Yes Network app. So to install it, you will click on here. Then here you have to click on the more info. If it's available in your country, it will show like download option and you can directly download and install the app in your phone. So by this way, you can just do it. And if you want to leave a rating, you can scroll down and you can do it. And as well as you can what you have, if you want to contact the app support, you can contact it from here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.